Hello, you can contact me to set up SAP S/4HANA and SAP ECC6 EHP8 online server setup for remote access and also for setting up on your local PC or server. You can see this is S/4HANA 1809 setup on virtual machine having expiry date as 31st December 9999 with lifetime validity. It also has FIORI in it. This is the FIORI also present in it. You can see this is the FIORI also present in it. You can see the virtual images of SAP S/4HANA 1809 already uploaded on my Google Drive. This is the application part of SAP S/4HANA 1809 and this is the HANA database. In the same manner, this is SAP S/4HANA 1809 virtual images and this is for SAP IDES ECC6 EHP8 with lifetime validity with master data and FIORI also included in it. So all the virtual images are already uploaded in my Google Drive. Quickly contact me to set up it on your local PC or server or setting up your own online server for remote access. Thank you for watching the video.